my career as editor of Men's Health, I've made one important discovery. Fitness, I've learned, means different things to different people. For some, it has to be a spanking new set of six-pack abs. But for others, it's just about losing your love handles, getting into size 34 jeans. Welcome, ladies and gents, to a show that's bound to give you every answer. Welcome to the Men's Health and Women's Health Show. On the show today, yoga tips from the country's top gurus, a double dose of inspiration from Blade Runner Kiran Kanodia, and our restaurant spy goes snacking on exotic foods, tries to understand them before she digests them. First up is a weight loss story that will amaze as well as inspire. 39-year-old Pooja Arora from Bangalore went from 2 fat ladies 88 to 5 and 4 54. Here's how.
My weight was 85 kilos. Today my weight is 54 kgs. I never thought that I could be like thin or I could be fit. The entire process of losing this much weight took me about 2.5 years. But what had happened was I was on a vacation with my child and I had fallen, and I had from a small fall I had a very grave injury, in the sense my ligament was torn and had to be removed. So I was told by the doctor that now you need to take your health seriously and you need to lose weight. And I was like, bound to the bed for almost 3 to 4 months with a small baby. I couldn't move. I wanted to run with her and I wanted to see her walk, and that was the time when I realized the value of being healthy. Being able to do activities with my child, being able to move well, that was my main motivation to lose weight. TRX is basically a body weight form of exercise. When you are working on the TRX form is really important. Your core at any time should be properly engaged and your back should be in a neutral position, and you should make sure that you're breathing properly while you're performing the exercise, because the chances of injury on this are also very high, because it's a functional training equipment. In water, I like to do a high intensity interval training, and more often I do a CrossFit style WODs in water. Here I can challenge myself and do a lot of plyometrics, because I know that my joints are safe and I can still challenge myself, my cardio, as well as do a lot of muscle building. Eating the right kind of food and smaller portions, and at least 3 to 4 meals in a day, smaller meals, which are well balanced, is good for weight loss. It's one thing that one should treat food as a nutrition and not as an enemy while you're losing weight. My routine is that as soon as I wake up, I have a glass of water in which jeera has been soaked. Otherwise, I sometimes also have a glass of water with apple cider vinegar in it. These have very good benefits because they remove the water retention, and normally women are prone to water retention, especially after 30. So I have that, and I have a pre-workout snack which is typically a fruit, and I leave a gap of at least 45 minutes before that, and then after that I do my workout. Post my workout I make sure I eat a mix of carb and protein, because muscle also needs to be rebuilt, and that I do at least within 30 minutes after my workout. When I lost weight, I realized that people thought that I did it for vanity. I got a lot of attention, good and bad both, and before they asked me why you're doing this, and once I did it, everyone asked me how you did it. So that is one thing that changed. And I also took a career path in it, and I myself became a coach because I wanted to teach people on how to do it right. anyone who's trying to lose weight should not look for shortcuts. I feel it's a lifestyle change and they should be committed to it, and it's a slow process. So treat it like step-by-step goals, and break it into shorter goals and be committed and keep going, and I'm sure if they eat right and work out, they'll definitely lose weight.
Our next story turns up the inspiration a notch higher. Kiran Kanodia is a blade runner who can give each one of us a lesson